Okay, question 1. Real world problems. Every day, Jason runs for 36 minutes and lifts weights for 42 minutes. How many minutes will Jason spend working out in 8 days? Minutes working out. So we're going to take the cheese and add up 36 plus 42 and get 78 minus 60 and get an hour and 18 minutes. Now, that's wrong. So if you multiply that by 8, you're not going to get the answer. What you want to essentially do, you want to take the data 36 minutes plus 42 minutes and multiply that by 8. Now, if I put that in mi calculadora, I bet you can guess what that means if you're from that part of Spain. 36 plus 42 times 8. What do we get? We get 624. Now that is, I'm sure is the answer. If it's not, you call me up and we'll discuss this because something's wrong with your study island. Okay. Okay, now question 2. I got this. Griffin ordered a pair of sneakers online. He had $16 of credit that he applied toward the purchase, and then he used a credit card to pay for the rest of the cost. If the shoes cost $74, how much did Griffin charge to his credit when he bought the sneakers? Okay, so he had $16 worth of credit, and he was paying $74. Now that equals 16 minus 74 negative 58. Now, that's how much he lost. So, in money, you would take that and take 58. Or if you're cool like me, well, I guess I didn't do it this time, but you could just do 74 minus the 16 he paid for credit and get 58. Bam, bam, boom, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop. Okay. Question 3. Mike put 208 baseballs into 8 trash bins. He put the same number of baseballs in each bin. He took 6 trash bins of baseballs to the baseball field. How many baseballs did Mike take? Now that is annoying to say. Okay, so let's just make that into a rap video. Just kidding, I'm not making a rap video. Yeah, but you guys fall for that. But seriously. Okay, so 208. Oh, I made that wrong. You get what I mean. 208 divided by 8 times 6. He took 6 trash bins. So you see what I mean? 208, the number of baseballs, the number of bins, and the number of bins he took. And with that, you get 156. First 3 done. Okay, so we are on question number 4. On his bookshelf, Adam has a difference between 2/3 of Brett's books and 2/3 of Charlie's books. If Brett has 90 books and Charlie has 27 books, how many books does Adam have? Okay, so as soon as you said difference, I know this is going to be a subtraction problem. Okay, what we're going to subtract, we're just going to go look at that. It says 2/3 of Brett's books and 2/3 of Charlie's books. Okay, Brett has 90 books. So let's put 2/3 and 90 minus 2/3 of Charlie's. That's 27. Okay, so 2/3 of 90, that's 60, obviously. And 2/3 of 27, that's 18. Okay, and then all we gotta do is subtract them and get 42. That an answer? Yep, that's an answer. Moving on to question number 5. The average daily high temperature in Montreal last week was 20 degrees. This week's average daily high temperature is supposed to be 25 degrees lower. If the temperature on Friday is equal to this week's average daily high temperature, which of the following could be Friday's high temperature? You know, I was in Montreal before. During the summer, it was not 20 degrees. I was wearing shorts and everything. Don't go there during the winter. Average daily temperature last week 20 degrees. 25 lower. Friday, this week's daily high temperature, which is long. Okay, that's what I got. We do that. 20 minus 25, -5. Simple as that. You get the 20 degrees in this week. Next week's supposed to be 25 degrees lower. Bam, -5. That's an answer. Let's move on to the next one. Kate is making hamburgers for her friends and has 7 1/3 pounds of hamburger. How many 1/3 pound hamburgers can she make? Well, she has total 7 1/3 divided by 1/3 for hamburgers. Total number of pounds, individual burgers. Okay, let's go type that into Mi Calculadora, which you should know by now if you were watching the earlier parts of this video. 7 1 1/3. Yep, that's 1/3 divided by 1 alpha. Oh, whoops! What a mistake. Oh, that's my phone. 1/3. Bam. 22. Is that the answer? 22. Remember, even though neither one of these numbers are as high as 22, this is less than 1. So if I had 1 cookie and I was sharing it with my friend, if I was sharing it with 6 of my friends, we would each get like 0.6 burgers. That's incorrect, but you know what I mean. And if I had 2 cookies and I was sharing it with myself, I'm gonna get 2 cookies. You know what I mean? It's just simplifying that out, you know. Just a simplified version of division. Question number 7. The juice dispenser in the cafeteria holds 41.5 pints of juice. The glasses in the cafeteria are only half a pint of juice. How many full glasses can be served at breakfast? Okay. So it has 41.5 pints. And each cup can only hold 1/2. So we want to find out how many they can do. This is another thing of division. How many full glasses? That's 41.5 divided by 0.5. You all know that 1/2 is equal to 0.5, right? You know that, right? You better know that, because if you don't, I'm sorry, but you're pretty stupid. Okay, so that's it. You get 83 after 41.5 divided by 1/2 equals that. Okay, that's an answer. Let's move on. 8. It takes Shonda. That's a really ghetto name, by the way. Don't name your kids that. I don't care. Just don't. It's just makes you look bad. Just saying. It takes Shonda 5 1/6 of an hour to dry 1 load of laundry in her dryer. How many hours will it take her to dry 9 loads of laundry? Okay, so it takes 5/6 of an hour to dry 1. Oop, that's off the camera. 5/6 to do 1. How many hours does it take to do 9 loads? Well, obviously, if that's 1 and we need 9, that's multiplication. And we get 15.5, which can be simplified to 7 1/2. Notice that 15 divided by 2 equals 8 and equals 7.5. 15, 7.5, 2 over half, you know, divided by 2. Yeah, you get what I mean. It's some math stuff. You gotta think about it. 9. Sandra, Robert, and some other friends, no one cares about the other friends, had a total of $52. Sandra spent $21 on videos, and Robert spent $12 on videos. How much does the group have after Sandra and Robert bought the videos? Okay, so let's do the total number the group had, $52, minus the total of what they had, 21 plus 12. That equals 1 plus 3, 30, 1 plus 2, 30. 33, 52 minus 33, 19. Sandra alone spent more than half the money for the rest of the group. That's just obnoxious, you know. But anyway, that's the answer. Okay, get to the next problem. Oh, we're on the last one. Da da da, last one. Da 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 da. I'm gonna draw a little balloon, a little party, you know. Wow. Jimmy is writing a paper for one of his classes. The paper has to be 2,500 words long, and so far he has written 570 words. If he only has 5 more days to write his paper and wants to write the same number of words each day, how many words must he write per day to finish the paper? Okay. So it has to be 2,500 words total. He already did 570 words. That equals 1930. Yeah. And then he has 5 more days. So I'm going to take that 1930 and divide it by 5. That's actually a square root symbol. Or is it? I have no idea anymore. And we're going to get 386 words a day. And he'll be good. That's an answer. And we are done. You know? That's a splendid time. You know? You should be doing the happy dance. Da 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 da. That's kind of inappropriate. So some pants.
Teenage average normal turtles. Teenage average normal turtles. Teenage average normal turtles. Turtles in a class cage. Normal turtles.